I've got a hard-boiled egg, and what I want to do is get the hard-boiled egg inside the flask. There are lots of ways of doing it, but I'm going to show you a scientific way. What we'll do is take the oven mitt around the flask, because we're going to pour in some hot water. In fact, it's boiling hot water. So what we'll do, pour it in, swirl the water around. This will heat the air inside the flask, and the flask as well, of course, and then pour the water back into the jug. Be very careful when you're doing that. Now, take the egg, and get rid of the oven mitt now. Put the egg on top, and what we'll do is now wait to see what happens. What will happen is the air inside the flask will start to cool, and therefore the pressure inside the flask will be reduced compared with the air outside, and the egg will start to be sucked and pushed, in fact, into the flask. Hopefully you can see that it's just starting to go in, and if we wait just a couple more seconds, it should be right inside. See, it's moving in now. It's about to get inside, and here we go, and the egg is now in the flask. Now that was the easy bit. Now, how are we going to get the egg out? Well, this is the fun bit. What we'll do, the flask now is relatively cool, we're going to move the egg with the pointy end facing down, as you can see, into the edge. And what I'm going to do, and you can get the children to do this as well, they need to be about 8 years old and above. I'm going to blow very hard into the flask, past the egg, increase the pressure inside the flask, and it will pop the egg out. And here we go. And there it is. We've got the egg inside the bottle. How are we going to get it out? Well, we're going to do a similar thing but in reverse. What we're going to do is get the egg so the pointy end is facing down, and we're going to blow very hard so the air goes past the egg, increases the air pressure behind the egg and pushes it out. And there we have it.